Hey, I'm Fish. I'm shooting with firmware 1.0.288, and I'm shooting today a shot of the city. Look how nice it looks with the overhead clouds hanging and more. It's low light. You can see how nice and dark it is. A full moon, no less. All the way up to 12x. You can grab shots just about anything you want with the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Did you know that the Pro is being released soon? What if that camera, single 1-inch sensor, up to 12x? Man, I would probably get one as well. I am definitely confirming this. On certain shots, when recording and stopping, you're not going to hear the audio. It's random. So yeah, add that to the list of concerns, issues, bugs, and whatnot. We taking some video riding along, and then eventually in the videos, we got caught in some rain all day. We did some shopping, shop. And I'll just piece part these videos into this vlog and share the fun I had in an overcast, rainy day with the Insta360 Luna Ultra. And here we are, surviving, continuing on with the camera. Did you see, did you get, do you have a DJI Osmo Pocket 4P? It's an illegal, banned, FCC banned camera in the US of A. Talk along, get to where I need to be at, or do I have to be there? You weren't fast enough to turn on and grab the shot of the giant heron. I missed it once again. The sun's gonna rise, but I'm gonna be ongoing. We're gonna capture some shots of the bay, the beach, highlight, and back we go. I made my purchase of a limelight tree, a snowbush type tree, and that's what I got. And it's starting to pick up. I'm starting to get over the hype, but I'm starting to get over the bugs and issues and concerns. Now, I'm not the only one that's reported the issues, and people are starting to come forward as they see. So if you got firmware and you're a little late to the table, or a little late to see these issues because other people put out videos, bear with it. They'll straighten out over time. Here we are, still with the boat, underwater, low tide coming on up. How long will this take to get out? I held my camera by the handlebar like this, and I had one issue where you saw it wobble, and there was no RF interference or anything whatsoever. It just happened to do that on the gimbal. Things do happen. It's a full day, and I got an answer back, a black mist filter, and that will be coming directly from Insta360 for the camera. Well, I'm going to see what else that is available that, what we can get. So yeah, this camera, is pretty good, does a good job, no complaints, but I got random issues that we do need resolved, and nobody out there hyped it at all, man. Things are just like hype. Maybe Fish, you got to get a brighter one. You got to get one that's really bright. Doesn't work in this low light. I try to do my best. I really do. I'm not going to sit here and wait for the sunrise. I'm going to get on going, get on down, see what it looks like. See if my place has settled down. Let's get out of here. I did some research about cushion springs. Oh man. I don't think anything out there is going to be fixing what I need to fix today. I'm going to look at it, scope it out, and figure out what to do next. I'm not sure when they're gonna get this pavement done, paving done, a ramp, woohoo! Maybe when they're all done, they could come in here and finish off the paving right up ahead. Oh man, what a night and day difference from yesterday. The day the sun came out, goes away, comes back out later in the day. All that shopping and everything we did. I hired some people so they can, take care of my area. And there they are, in my spot. So let's get on going. Go down to another spot. There's a guy fishing. The guy's got a camera. And he's just waiting for that moment. Well, I normally pick this spot so we can watch the sunrise. Well, how do you like this shot? Maybe if I, zoom in on me, you get to see my beard. The hairs on my beard. And I'm about 20 inches away from the camera. So let's get on me and let's slowly zoom, because that's what we got now. A slower zoom by default from Insta360 Luna Ultra that some people don't really want. And that corrects the issue. Look how it adjusts and it goes right to my eyes. I want to go to my beard or the hair, man. I got to shave. Let me get close up to you. Closer. Look at that mustache, man. Look how nice and thick it is. And this is like just a couple of days of growing. All right, I back out and I just hit the side button there and let it zoom on out just like that, man. A lot of setting up. You don't have the time to set up with this camera, and then it might not be the camera for you. Well, it does a nice job when it wants to. It does a nice job all the time, not when it wants to fish. We got a full moon. So let me once again, get you in the shot, straighten you up, see if the full moon is right by the pole over here somewhere. Where's the pole? Is it right by my head? It's above my head somewhere. I'm just trying to look for it. Am I too high? Am I too low? I'm getting out of the shot. I'm unfocusing it. And no way can I see that moon in the shot. That is called a rune shot fish. It's somewhere in this shot and just not there. There we go. It's in a shot right now. But I want to back. There we go. See the moon right there? You can see the crevices right up there. And all right there. And I am on. A wave would have been nice. Nah, NYPD, they're doing their job. They can't wave when on patrol. I finally got my spot. I had to wait for them to get on out of here, man. Well, am I going to be checking the app every single day for new firmware? Did anybody else say, hey, look, fish, this firmware 1.0.291? I don't think they go like that, fish. They throw all these random numbers out there. Maybe we got firmware 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, like that. Not all these unbelievable numbers. Well, it is time for me to get on out of here. I had my fun, my share, my talk, my beautiful moon. It's got darkness. It's got sunrise-ness. And it's got blueness. It's got a number of colors all around. Beautiful sunrise coming up. And sun's yet not up. There they go. They're out of here. Now I can get on going. Trees in the way, tracking the trailer, the tractor, the machine. There's still more beautiful shots to take, like sunflowers as they start to grow. I'm not full zoomed on them, but you get to see what it looks like close up. And if I sit here just right, we'll get to see the sunrise. As we zoom in to 3.4, that's where the color will start shifting. Well, let's get all the way in there to 12x. 6 times lossless on the 1.1/3, not on the 1 inch. Well, I'm going to end this beautiful vlog on a beautiful day, just like this. I'm Fish. I gotta go meet up with Joe, take care of Bizwax, and take care of stuff.